Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes USB Wi-Fi adapter not working Windows 11,10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, enable device. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Check Wi-Fi, click Next. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.